Hi everyone, my name is Cik Wanu Ainuzadani, binti Cik Razali. My matrix number is P4240036. And today I will be explaining how to properly administer medication for cough, a common respiratory symptom. Cough is a reflex action to clear the airways of irritant, mucus or foreign particles. It can be acute, lasting than last 3 weeks, or chronic, lasting over 8 weeks. Cough may be caused by infection like the flu or cold, postnasal drip, asthma, GERD, or even side effects of medication such as ACE inhibitors. Here are signs and symptoms that require medical attention. Although cough is common, you should seek medical consultation if you experience a persistent cough lasting more than 3 weeks, coughing up blood, hemoptysis, high fever, chest pain, or difficulty breathing, unexplained weight loss or night sweats. This may signal serious underlying conditions such as pneumonia or tuberculosis. Treatment and medication options. Treatment depends on the cause of the cough. Options include antitussive, for example, dextromethorphan for dry, non-productive cough. Expectorant, example, guaifenesin to loosen mucus in productive cough. Antibiotics only if the cough is due to a bacterial infection. Inhalers, example, salbutamol if related to asthma. Home remedies such as honey and warm fluids can also help. This is a demonstration on how to use an expectorant syrup, guaifenesin. Here's how to properly take guaifenesin syrup. Shake the bottle well. Use a proper measuring cup or spoon. Never estimate. Take the recommended dose, usually 5 to 10 ml every 4 to 6 hours for adults. Drink plenty of water after taking the medications. This helps thin the mucus. Do not exceed the maximum daily dose. Important precaution and patient instruction. This is really important. When taking cough medication, do not drive if it causes drowsiness. Avoid mixing with alcohol. Check labels if you are taking other medication to prevent double dosing or interaction. Keep out of reach of children. If your symptoms don't improve in a week, consult your doctor. To recap, I have explained the basics of cough, when to seek help, treatment option, how to take an expectorant properly, and some key precautions. I hope this video has been helpful. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and take care.